you should go and take a chance with her. She could be everything you wanted, everything you wanted. Boy, don't let that get away. Don't let that slip away. Don't let that love slip away. Don't let that get away.
What's up, you guys? Izzo here, back again with another video. And today, you guys, I am going to be doing a first impression on this Makeup Revolution palette. And you guys are gonna see how I got this makeup, this eye look, using this in like my first impression. So, firstly, you guys, this palette right here, is so like good. Like, y'all, this is a drugstore palette. Did I say that? This is a drugstore palette. $12. $12, baby. Do you see the pigmentation? Do you see it? Do you see it? Do you see it, baby girl? Trying to tell y'all, this palette right here is so good. The colors are very pigmented. Very, very, very pigmented. I'll probably keep saying that, but they are. It's really nice, especially for the price of it. It's a very colorful palette. I'll actually show you guys how it looks. Very, very colorful. The only con I really have about this palette is that it's like very powdery. Like, this is the palette. Let me take the reflective paper off. But yep, these are the colors. They're not even picking up how bright they actually are. Like, let me see if I could. Like, but they're not even really picking up how bright they are. But these are the colors. And they're super duper duper nice. The only kind I really have about it is that it's powdery. But other than that, it's really nice. If you guys are looking for a good colorful palette that's pretty cheap, this is the way to go. I'm telling y'all, it's the way to go. I don't really have much to say about this, except that I love it. Yeah, I don't have much to say. But I hope you guys enjoy me doing my makeup and see how I come up with this. Some of the parts will be like cut a little bit because, or stopped. Like, you probably won't see me finish out the look because I had to just finish it in the mirror because I really couldn't see anything from like here. And I already wear glasses, so I just kind of had to finish my makeup in the mirror, so you guys will see it there. But yeah, please like, comment, and subscribe. And thanks for watching. Hi, you guys. With the color Canary, I believe it is. This yellow color. This one. Oh, let me. I think I'm gonna start with that color. Brushes are falling. Ooh. The palette is kind of like dusty a little bit. Like, if you guys know what I'm talking about, I don't know how to describe it, but like when you go in it, it's powdery. That's what I meant. And I'm just gonna go in right here. Oh my gosh. Okay. All right. Hold on. I'm gonna need the mirror. I can't do this on my phone, but. Well, it's kind of not, it don't want to come on now, but it was at first. I don't know why I decided to go with yellow. With all these colors that's in there, I don't know why I picked this one. But we're gonna use it. We're gonna make this kind of colorful and fun. Oh yeah, it's very powdery. I don't like the powdery. That's something I don't like right now. And this color is doing okay now. Like when it first popped on, it was pretty bright, but it's doing okay. It picks up bright on the camera. Then here, like it looks like nothing is on my eyes here. But then again, it might be this brush, because this is not a really good brush. Yeah. I think it might be this brush. I'm going with this orange color in the Token Play, the shade Token Play. I'm going with that color. Let's see. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna deepen it with this color. I'm gonna go ahead and deepen it with this color right here. It's called Cardinal, I think that's what it's called. Y'all don't mind me, like, if I'm wearing I can't read, I'm sorry, but that's what I think it say. It looks red on here, but it's really like it's like a reddish orange-ish, but it looks more red on the camera, but it's a reddish orange. And I'm just gonna deepen it with this. Oh yeah, I like that better. She's bright, baby. She's bright. She's a looking pretty. I'm gonna just go back in with the yellow and just add more yellow to make it look brighter. But yeah. Just blending it out. So I'm just going in with this concealer and I'm about to cut it. It looks good. Like the colors right now, like right now, I can say pretty pigmented. They're very pigmented right now and powdery. That's the kind that's the only kind I have right now. That's powdery. I'm gonna come back when I'm done. Okay, so I'm back and I cut my crease. So now that I'm done with that, I think I want to go in with pink. This vacay shade right here. It's very pretty and it's bright, and I think I want to use it. Ooh. Y'all look at that. Look at that. That is so pretty. I'm in love with the pink. And I'm gonna go ahead and take it on the ends. I'm gonna go with Jungle and add that right like next to it. Really vibrant, really nice, really nice. Yo, this eye is supposed to be really colorful, so hopefully it comes out how I want it to. This is how I'm looking so far. I know it looked crazy, but just wait. Just wait, it's gonna look really nice. So now I'm gonna, you see this little spot? I'm just gonna clean it up so I can put the glitter in there. Going back in with my concealer. Can y'all see that? This one is not in the middle. But I'm going with the color Rio. It look like I don't already. Ooh. Oh, I dipped my hand in there on accident. Y'all, it's so pigmented. It is. It's really pigmented. I'm gonna try to. That's nice. Y'all, these glitters is nice. Well, this one is. I haven't tried the pink one yet. Nice. Like it. You don't even need a lot. This is how we're looking so far. I'm gonna go in and fix all my colors. So yes, I didn't realize the camera shut off, but I did clean up the pink part. I'm gonna do the rest of my makeup and then I'm gonna finish the bottom part of the eye. So I'm gonna fast forward through that so you guys can just watch me do the rest of my makeup. just gonna go ahead and set it and then fix it because I know it looks a little bit bad right now, but I'm gonna fix it, trust me. I look like a, I'm gonna fix it, okay? Cow. Actually, yeah. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Also, could you guys please tell me video suggestions down in the comment, videos you guys want to see or anything, because I don't film videos because I don't be having ideas. So if you guys could just give me ideas in the comments down below, I'll get those videos to you guys. Thank you.